Welcome. In front of me I have the XIAOMI Party speaker, and I'll be taking a look at the speaker itself and having a listen to it and giving you my opinion. So let's get straight into this. We do have two tabs holding it at the bottom. There we go. What the hell is it here? Oh, there we go. So we have Type-C to Type-C cable, a pretty long one, and that's basically everything that is in here. Okay, that's interesting. I'm just gonna drop it to the ground. There we go. And here's our speaker. Yeah, there's nothing else in there, so drop it to the ground and let's get in here. I'm not mad. I'm just disappointed. There we go. So one interesting feature of this is that it has this infinity mirror design on the side. There we go. Now camera is not really picking this up all too well, but I can see the lights kind of go down somewhere, down to like right here. It's an interesting kind of thing. Now probably in a dark room it might be a little bit better. Less light. Ooh, that's a neat design for a handle. So you can see it kind of just moves out of the way right here. That is pretty dope. I like that. Now at the bottom we have probably our battery right here, behind screws, rubber feet which you can barely see because of the camera exposure, and then at the back we have our bass, Bluetooth, whatever that button is. Honestly, I have no clue. Looks like a pairing, but then I'm not sure what the Bluetooth one is for, and our Type-C charging port. And at the top we have power, volume up, down, and play and pause. So let's grab my phone. Looks like it also has NFC right here. Oh, this is a little bit of a weird symbol, so it is NFC. Yes, pair. So that's pretty cool, because we can really quickly pair it by just smacking our device to this. Now let's open up. Let's quickly so just a little quick listen.
Every level of acting ability
okay.
explained.
There we go. So it sounds okay. Now I'm gonna quickly check the price for this. So Party Sound Party, there we go. So oh wow, the price is about $100 US, maybe even less with now current exchange rate. So this is actually a pretty okay priced speaker, portable speaker. It also comes, as I didn't mention, with IP67 waterproofing, so that's pretty good. so you can take it to any kind of like wet place. We have 50 watts of power right here, 26 hours of listening time, built-in microphone, and true wireless stereo. So that's what it was. I can see TWS and it's the same logo. Okay, so I would say it's a decent speaker. It won't blow you away with the sound quality. It also is going to distort at a higher volume. Like I wasn't listening to it super loudly right now, but pushing it probably like 30% further would already be not probably a pleasant experience. And other than that, yeah, like I said, it's definitely not a flat sounding profile for the sound here. It's very bassy even without the bass boost or bass right here. So originally I think it's off, and when I pressed it I think it turned on, though I honestly can't really tell. Okay, so yeah, I think it's off again now. So yeah, it's still a bassy speaker, but it doesn't sound like super great. Though keep in mind, it's about $100 price tag for a waterproof speaker with some blink to it with the infinity mirror right here on the side. So you have some like additional features that I guess you pay for that don't really translate into sound quality, which might be the most important thing in a speaker. But if you want something that looks fun, just play some music, obviously this will do great. And yeah, just a solid speaker. But like I said, you will have a little bit of a downgrade in sound quality. I personally prefer devices that do have better sound quality rather than bling, but again, this is my personal preference. And also, I dwell in a basement. I don't have friends, so I don't need a outdoor speaker. So this probably isn't targeted really for me per se, but if it is for you and you don't mind maybe just a slightly inferior sound and just something that, you know, play some music while you're out with your friends, this will do just fine. And also the battery life right here at 26 hours is pretty decent with a 50 watts of power. It's a solid speaker. I can say that. So anyway, well, with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.